Today we're going to install a PTZ. This was included with the arm and the collar. We're going to be installing that on a custom made arm that will go up on the masthead. It's custom arm drilled out to fit on the stud bolts up on the mastheads. Fit out like this. So the Cat 6 cable can come out and connect to one of those ports on the end of the mast. Nice, so now we got that attached, bolted through. There's silicone in that too. Attach the collar. Here on the collar, you loosen up these screws here, tighten down the collar, then loosen them back up, and then lock it in. So now with the collar on, you've got the Cat 6 cable going through. They'll connect to the PTZ. So this is a piece you can use if you have the room. Sometimes you don't. So I like to hot glue this right there. We'll keep that from falling out. Doesn't take much. Just a little bit underneath the clip. If you ever need to take it out, it's really easy to get out. Sometimes we're pushing these back into a tight wall on a vehicle or a place where it's in a box and you don't have extra room. You just kind of push the wires on this side and pull it from the other side. You should be able to get that head in there enough. Seal that up. Push that back in. Just work that in. Just click those right here. So when you're hanging it, you need to service it up there. It won't fall on you on accident.